Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password unlock. Okay, and if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend, your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. In this video, I will give you a tip and tricks to unlock your smartphones. But because you will have to watch this video till the end. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Okay, before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing that I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then take help of my upcoming videos, or you may also take help of my older videos. And for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Okay, so now you can see my phone's Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network is on. So firstly, I will have to switch off my all the network. So how will I switch off my phone's network? So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply after that you will have to activate this airplane mode, and when you will activate this airplane mode or flight mode, it means your all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. And one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, this method is very simple, and for this method you don't have to go any service center, and you don't have to need any computer software to unlock your smartphone. And the most important thing in this video, your all the data will be saved as it is as your phone was. Okay, so this method is so useful for everyone who don't want to lose their data like photo, videos or application. Okay, and after this you will have to go with the emergency call option to close all the running application, because before going to the unlocking method, the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. So you will have to simply, there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close all the background running application, because when your phone is locked, it's not possible to close all the background running application. So some secret code generated by the service center to close the running application. So for this you will have to go with the emergency call option, and when you will go with the emergency call option, you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad. So you can see here the dialing pad has been activated in my phone's display. Now the secret code is *963 then *777 then *5239 then #. Now you can see here this is the recent secret code to close the background running application. Now after feeding the secret code, you will have to call on this secret code to close the running application. And at the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Okay, now you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the same 3 times continuously, and after doing this process 3 times, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking method. Now after this you will have to clear this secret code from your phone's dialing pad. Okay, now after clearing this code, I'm going to give you a USSD code. That's USSD code is most important to reach to the engineer's mode, and this USSD code is *899 then #. Now you can see here after feeding this number *899 and #, you will reach to a new page, and this page's name is after sales page. You can see here. Now you will also get a lots of option on this page, you can see here, but you have to go with the option of a software version. You can see here When you will click on the software version, you will reach to a new page, and this page name is software version page. You will get a lots of option on this page. You can see here the first option is showing here your phone's model number, that is RMX3471. So don't go with this option, simply ignore this option. You will have to go with the option of an Android version. Here showing is Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 12, 10 or 11, and if your phone is showing here Android version 11, it means you will have to go with this option 11 time. You will have to click on this Android version option 11 time. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, it means I will have to click on this Android version option 13 time continuously. So I am going to do there 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done, my friend. After this you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version. You can see here that is manual test option. Now you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page. That page name is engineers mode. Okay, you can see here engineers mode page has been appeared on my phone display. Now you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, that's assembly page project, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this you will have to simply slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the page of others. You can see here the others page has been appeared on my phone display. Now you can see here there are a 5 type of option on this page. The 4th option is showing here main board version. Okay, now it may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. After that you will have to click on this main board version option 9 times rapidly, like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the step has been completed. Now you can see here the second option. The second option is showing here read write important log test. After that you will have to go with this read write important log test option, and when you will click on this read write important log test option, you will reach to a new page, and you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this. At the first time you will have to cancel this option. Again you will have to do the process 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now after this I am going to give you a very last step, because the very last step is most important, and if you have skipped any step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch the video again. So watch the video properly and follow the every step properly. After this you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here the device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. Now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option, sensor self-test and calibration option, and when you will click on this sensor self-test and calibration option, a new page will be appeared on your phone display, and you will get a 3 type of option or 2 type of option on this page. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option. You will have to start this operation, and you will have to continue click on this option until you get a single test passed message. Okay, now I am going to click on this option. You can see here operation has been started. You can see here the second option, operation has been started. The third option has been started, but the third option you can see here at the first time the third option is showing here test passed message. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything my phone. It means my phone has been completely unlocked without any data loss, without any service center visit, without any computer software. Now how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? You can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom. You can see here. Now I will click on this home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. Now you can see with me my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my phone as it is as in my phone. This means this trick really works, and if your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your comment. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.